How to contact the Booz app customer service. So first, open the Boo app if you haven't already, then tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. There, go ahead and tap on settings. Then you will be directed to a page something like this. Here, scroll down until you see an option called Help and Support, which is in the general category. After that, tap on it, and here you can search for an issue that you're trying to solve. So for now, I'll simply tap on General Information, and if my problem is how does Boo work, then I'll simply just tap on it, and there we go. It will show the possible answer for your question, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.